Hello, everyone, and welcome to the course outline explanation. So I am going to just kind of go through this so that when we get together in class, I can just answer questions, but not have to kind of go through point by point. So jot down any questions that you have, and I will definitely address those when we get together in class. So here we are. That's on my info. You kind of know that. Calendar description. So basically what we're doing here, the course is designed to provide musical experiences which will help the student gain skills to appropriately enhance the musical growth of children in K-6 classrooms. Courses participants' personal skill and understanding music concepts will be developed. Musical needs and capabilities of children will be investigated. Methods of teaching music to young children will be presented through observation and application. Dun, dun, dun. Learning resources. So hopefully you have a ukulele. You do need to have a ukulele for the entirety of this course, so get one. Beg, borrow, probably don't steal, but beg or borrow. There will be a $20 charge for the Could You Hug a Cactus music and script, and I will let you know how you can pay me for that script and music. Please have an ice cream bucket, a 4-liter ice cream bucket. It doesn't have to be like the massive one, but just a 4-liter one, and wooden or plastic chopsticks. Try not to bring in like drumsticks if you have them, because it'll just be too loud. And I will put any course readings will be posted on Blackboard or through our OER resource. Okay, so as you learned in your social studies curriculum, the front matter matters. However, I want you to read through this on your own. I do not need to sit here and read this to you, but do have a look. The numbers correspond to MRU BEd program numbers, and these are the numbers on your grade assessments. This is what it refers to over here. So this is what I want you as the student. You will be able to do the following by the end of the course. So you'll be able to analyze repertoire and activity choice to ascertain suitability for all students, okay? And that relates to professional responsibilities. So I will leave that with you to peruse. And now, because things changed for us, I'm going to now go to a revised schedule because it changed fairly dramatically. Okay, I will also post this on Blackboard under course evaluation, or sorry, course outlines, so you will be able to see this. So basically, whoa, what is happening here? Stop. Okay, so I've just put the lessons, the date, the time, the topic. We are not meeting on Google Meet. Don't know why that is still there. And here is your reading and then any assessment due dates. So again, this is subject to change depending on what happens in the world, but this is what's happening right now. So this is what we're going to talk about. This is your reading. I want to talk to you about your readings because the readings are, for the most part, 3 to 10 pages. On those days where it's 10 pages, excuse me, often the 10 pages includes a lot of musical examples. So there's no reason why you can't do these readings. 3 pages you can read between classes. Okay, easy ukulele book. I want you to read pages 3 to 8. It just gives you some introduction into ukulele. And then I want you to download an app onto your phone. It's a tuning app. And it's imperative that you have this because we have to be able to tune up our ukuleles or else it sounds atrocious. Okay, so I'm just going to scoot down to the bottom. So here are the apps, the app links. So iOS or Android, hopefully those will, I went on and redid mine, just download it, and it's pretty easy. You can also just listen to the first, I think it's like a minute and a half introduction into the ukulele. Okay, the rest, almost all of the rest of the readings are from an OER, an open educational resource book called Music and the Child by Natalie Zarazin. And it's at this, if you just download it from this site, all the chapters refer to this resource. So you can see like chapter 1, 3 pages, 7 pages, 8 pages. But again, there's usually lots of examples in here. Okay, so that's what I'm just going to go through the reading. The only other one is I want you to peruse Music Play Canada's site. There are like just tons of resources on this site, and I want you to be aware of it. And then everything else, and then the last 2 classes, there are no readings. I've also just put your assessment. There's been some slight changes in assessment dates from the official course outline, but we will go with these pending more chaos in the world. So there's a theory quiz, there's on notes, and then on rhythm, and then there's no assignment or assessment there. Then there's year plan, conducting, teaching, then that's ukulele drumming, current hand signals, and then cactus performance and in defense of arts is on our January 28th. We are now finishing on January 28th, so we will not have a February or a March music date as was in the original schedule, which is kind of nice because we can just, really focus and really get you prepared to teach music right from the top. And then you can go out there and be amazing. Okay, so hang on. Don't let this make you sick. I'm just going to skip over this because it's all changed and it's all on the revised. However, let's just look at late assignments. Just get your stuff into me. As a professional teacher, you don't have the option of just handing stuff in late. So just get it to me. There's no opportunity to resubmit or redo an assignment once completed, submitted, or graded. Penalty is 10% per day, including weekends. And just don't go anywhere because, you just can't anyways. Academic dishonesty, just don't plagiarize and don't cheat. Grading scheme, all too well. Accessibility statement, I'm assuming that since there are no exams, that there won't be any accommodations needed, but if you do need accommodations, please go and grab them. The accommodations office is amazing, and do take that opportunity. Mental health statement, again, if you are just feeling like, whoa, this is a little crazy, I just need somebody to talk to, they are amazing as well, and do take them up as they are there to support you. Okay, student responsibilities, this is the same as what you have been living through with all of your education courses. Just be here, okay? So just be here in class. Teacher candidates in coursework and field experiences are expected to attend all classes. Attendance is mandatory. If you miss a one-blocked class, so one of our classes, it will be documented, maybe addressed by Clay, Lauralee, or myself. So just make sure you're coming to class. It's fun. Class is fun. Class is active and engaging, and you won't want to miss it. You just won't want to miss it. Okay. Please let me know in advance if there's going to be any issue with you being there. Be prepared. Show engagement. All those kind of things. And then this is what you can expect from me and from us as a faculty in supporting you there. Okay, hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea. Again, I'm just going to try to get myself out of print here. Probably, there we go. Again, jot down any questions that you see, and we can discuss them. I'm hoping not to take a ton of class time to go through the course outline. You guys are pros at course outlines now, but they are important, and it is important that you know what's coming up and what we're doing. So, all right, there you go. Looking forward to it. Take care.